I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on Crack SAT. Here is an example where we'll discuss how we can find area of an equilateral triangle given area of a circle, or sometimes radius of the inscribed circle. This is a calculator based question. You can always use calculator to solve this question. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. I'll also give you a formula which can straight away help you find the correct answer. The question here is, in the figure given below, a circle of area 100 pi centimeter square is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. Find the area of triangle in centimeter square. Now the formula which gives you area of triangle, I should say area of an equilateral triangle, inscribing circle, of radius r is equal to 3 times square root 3 times r squared. So this is a very important formula to remember. So in our case, what we are given here is, we'll also derive the answer, but here is a shortcut method, right? So what we are given here, area of circle as equal to 100 pi. That means pi r square equals to 100 pi. So pi and pi cancel. So you get r square equals to 100. Using the formula, we get area of the triangle as equal to 3 times square root 3 times 100, which is 300 square root 3. Perfect. So the answer is option A. So if you know the formula, that is how you can easily write down the answer. It doesn't really take much time. Now when you are preparing for SAT, it is good to see how one formula is related with another so that you could really save some time during the test. Now let us see how to do such a question if the formula is not known to you, rather if you don't know the shortcut, correct? Well, clearly we know area of the circle is 100 pi, we can find its radius. So we know pi r square equals to 100 pi. So that gives you that pi and pi cancel. So r is equals to 100 square root, which is equal to 10. So we know this radius is 10. Now equilateral triangle means sides of 60 degrees. So this angle now is 30 degrees and here we have 60 degrees, correct? It is 30, 60, 90 triangle. So in any 30, 60, 90 triangle, you know the ratios of the sides also using basic trigonometry. But if you don't know, then what you can do here is, you can construct another triangle here so that that is congruent to the given triangle, correct? Just extend this. So you get 10 more on this side. Do you understand? So when you get 10 more on this side, in that case, you can realize that each side is 20. So from here, you get this length as 20. So let me label this as triangle ABC with this center as O, right? So what you notice here is that the hypotenuse of the, let me write this as D, is 20. Correct? So that becomes side of 20, but we get the adjacent side from here, which is A to D, right? So we get A to D as equal to 20 square minus 10 square square root, which is 400 minus 100 square root, or is equals to square root of 300, which is 10 square root 3. So 10 square root 3 is A to D, right? 10 square root 3 is A to D, which is half the base. Or you can say AB, which is 2 times AD, will be equal to 20 square root 3. So that is your base of the triangle. To get the height, we know this is 20 and that should be equal to CO also. So this is also 20, correct? So the height h will be 20 plus 10, the radius given to you, which is equal to 30. And so area is half of base times height, which is half of base is 20 square root 3 and the height is 30. Now from here you can simplify. So calculator is not really required here, but you can always use it for faster calculations. So you get 300 square root 3. You get this, right? To solve such questions, what other things help you is also this particular triangle, which is 60, 30, 90 triangle. So this is very important triangle, 60 degrees. Let us say this is 30 degrees and that is 90 degrees. Then the sides of such a triangle are related and their lengths are, if this is 1 unit, then this is twice, right? Will be square root of 3. So that is how these sides are related in 30, 60, 90 triangle. So using this triangle also, without doing all these calculations, we could have found the solution. Perfect. So in our question, the side opposite to 30 was given as 10. So this was given to us as 10. If you knew this triangle, for example, then what we were given? We were given this side as 10, right? So that side becomes 20 and the other side, which happens to be the base, will become square root of 3 times 10. Do you see that? So the calculations are not required. We straight away get this other missing sides using the triangle itself. Perfect. So when you go for such competitive exams where multiple choice questions are there and time is restricted, you have to armor yourself with such tools, right? So this particular triangle helps you to actually work out all the sides even without doing any of these calculations. Finally, you do see that the answer relates to 3 square root 3 r square for any inscribed circle in a given equilateral triangle. Does make sense to you? So that is how you should be solving, and I hope this really helps. A particular question can save a lot of time for you, and so you can perform much better. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you really like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.